So as you can see here already લોકો આવા લાગ્યા છે and it's not even 1 p.m. They have 14 brands under one roof over here. Lots of jewelry options available over here. Lots of adult chanya cholis to choose from, blouses, dupattas and of course separate chanyas જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. And kids chanya choli માટે options જોઈતા હોય તો એ પણ છે. And they have some boys kurta as well. So this is a 2-day show only today and tomorrow 15th and 16th of September. It has been curated by Arohi Events and it is called Rangtali 25. This is at the Bohemian Gallery, jo ISKCON Amli Road paase hai. Swipe left to see the collection. This brand is called Coco by Komal Farkiwala and they have some beautiful blouse options and dupattas like these. Chanya cholis ma જોઈએ તો એમની પાસે they have these. Okay, something in white and green. Something in pastel shades like these. Okay. કેટલા મીટરનો ઘેર છે આમાં?
10 મીટર આમાં છે.
Okay. They have some beautiful options prints maybe and they have lots of blouses as well to choose from. Okay, this brand is called Naomi Couture. They have some beautiful chanya choli options. Okay,
Yes, we have very light weighted chinon fabric ma.
chinon fabric ma lightweight છે.
Yeah. Then we
Okay,
have so many multiple
Blouses.
blouses over here.
hmm
So you can mix match.
okay, blouses mix match કરવા હોય તો એ possible થશે.
Then we have so many colors of dupattas.
dupattas માં options છે.
Yeah.
white chanias માં બહુ જ બધા છે. multi color માં જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ
Multicolor,
options છે.
all are light weighted.
And something in a monochrome look.
Yeah.
This brand is called Poplin Dreams and they have kids collection for Navratri. You can see such cute chanya choli options that they have. Their sizes start from
0 to 10.
0 to 10 years na ages માટે એમની પાસે ચણિયા ચોલીસ છે. Lots of different colors, patterns to choose from. અને price range approximately ક્યાંથી start થાય છે?
Till 4,000.
Till 4,000. Okay. They also have some options for boys. Yes, so boys kurtas ma bhi options છે. Again, that is also from 0 to 10 years. Okay. અને પાછળ બી ચણિયા ચોલીસ છે. Can we take a look at those? Okay. The materials are very breathable. They are very soft and light. Kids ne irritation ના થાય એવા materials છે. And they have
કન્સર્ન હમણાં એ જ હોય છે કે
irritation ના થાય. Yes. Okay, so this brand is called Poplin Dreams. So this brand is called Label Mehrav and they have some monochrome chanya cholis like these. They come with blouse material. Okay, they have some options with ready stitched blouses like these. બહુ બધા કલર્સ છે to choose from. These are all handwork pieces. પ્લેન્સમાં જોઈતું હોય, બાંધણીમાં જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. દુપટ્ટાસમાં ઘણા બધા options છે and they have lots of blouses as well to choose from. Sleeveless blouses માં બી options available છે. This brand is called Abha Attires.
Hi, we
Hi.
have different type of blouses.
Okay, blouses.
Also, we have something like this. You can mix match something in ombre.
Ombre.
Then we have something in solid. Then in toy.
Toy.
Also, we have some badla chania and blouses.
Badla chanya and
Everything
blouses.
is mix match. We have different
Okay.
type of blouses as well.
And they have lots of
Multiple
dupattas
options
as
of
well.
dupattas.
This is Meghna here from Arohi Gems and Jewelry. We start with the Afghani collection. This is a tribal Afghani collection. Some statement jewelry in Afghani in short and long statement pieces. This is all silver look like.
Okay, coming to silver lookalike, they have these options.
These are only bangles.
Okay, only bangles માં જોઈતો હોય તો એમાં options છે.
Small chokers, all eco-friendly.
All eco-friendly chokers.
These are haslis.
હા, sleeves માં options જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં options છે.
Our long statement pieces chair. In silver look like. This is all fusion.
Fusion jewelry like these. આ બધા weddings માં કામ લાગે એવા
all
jewelry.
wedding jewelry. Something what that she's worn.
Okay, something similar to what she's worn.
Then this is all only earrings,
Okay.
bangles,
Earrings and bangles.
and then we have this whole wedding collection.
My wedding collection માં options. And it's called Two Sisters and they have some beautiful chaniya cholis. Monochrome look માં જોઈતો હોય તો એમાં options છે. If you're looking for some detailing, coin based detailing જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં options છે. Okay, different colors to choose from, different patterns to choose from, something in 2 shades. Okay. Okay, something like this. And blouses can be mixed and matched. Yeah. Okay. All right. This brand is called Hirye by Sonal and they have some beautiful chaniya cholis. They also have some potli bags like these. Ama bija options che. Coming to chaniya cholis, they have something like this with detailing. Okay. Something with Korea detailing as well. And they have something white in Mukesh work. Mukesh work mein bhi bija options available che. They have some blouses like these, corset style ma joitu hoy. Like these, if you're looking for something with sleeves. Okay, so ema pan options che. And they have dupattas as well. That brand is called Pure Soul by Ruchi and they have some beautiful chaniya choli options like these. Badla work માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં છે, pastel shades માં જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં options છે, bright colors છે એમની પાસે like these. Okay, blouse dupatta બધા જોડે options આવે. If you want single blouses તો એમાં પણ options available છે like these. And blouses can be mixed and matched together. They also have some beautiful dupattas. Okay. Brand is called Fenny's Fashion Hub. They have some dupatta options like these, color options and design options mali jase. They also have chaniya cholis like these. And now mix and match pan thai shake chhe. Okay. All right. They have saris as well. No. These are dupattas. Okay. So these are dupattas. More dupatta options, more blouse options like these. Okay. And chaniya ma ketla meter no gher chhe?
12 meter.
12 meters. Okay. So this brand is called Radiant Jewels.
Hello everyone, we have so many options in German silver jewelry. These are some statement pieces. These are some chokers in stone as well as we have in kundan also. Other than that, we have some next statement pieces in long necklaces also which you can wear in Navratri as well and it's in festive also. Lot many options in earrings, rings.
This brand is called Nine Stitches.
Hi.
Okay.
So we have our last few pieces available in pastel shades.
Pastel shades my last few pieces che.
Yes.
Okay.
And in bright colors we have this hot pink.
Hot pink.
We've also got this cobalt blue. And which एकदम brightest colors में जो ये we have got hot reds,
Hot
teal,
red,
and
something
also
with mirror work,
yes.
like this. Blouses માં પણ ઘણા જ બધા options છે to choose from and they have lots of dupattas as well. This brand is called Festive Flares. They have some beautiful chaniya choli options like these. Something in patchwork with a matching potli. Okay. The next chaniya choli that they have some handmade latkans like these. This is their specialty. Something in lavender like this. Okay. White માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો white માં options છે. અને મિક્સ્ડ કલર્સમાં બી જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. મોનોક્રોમ લુક જોઈતો હોય તો એમાં છે. This brand is called Tantuk by F&B. Okay, ચણિયા ચોલીમાં આવી રીતના ઓપ્શન્સ છે. Something with a Kutchi patchwork on the blouse. Okay, એમાં સ્લીવ્સ જોડે ઓપ્શન્સ છે. અમુક સ્લીવલેસ બ્લાઉઝ વાળા ચણિયા ચોલીઝમાં બી ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે એમની પાસે. They have some corset style blouses as well. You can see this is all part of their collection. Lots of pieces to choose from. Okay.